please name them for the sake of the public information so that we will know what they feel. And I feel that they wanted to postpone the trial because they're afraid that their true self would be revealed in the deliberations of this impeachment trial. They might say something there that will turn off voters. In fact, I'm surprised. I am told, and I have to verify this, that one of the senators said, "Why do we have to hold that? I'm going to vote against it anyway." That's a violation of the Constitution.
Dagdag pa nito, dapat mag-convene kaagad ang Senado bilang impeachment court upang litisin ang impeachment case ng Vice Presidente. Sinabi rin ni Munsod na ang ibig sabihin ng salitang forthwith na nasa Article 11 ng saligang batas ay kaagad sa intensyong proteksyonan ang taong bayan laban sa ahente o public servant na kanilang pinili na nagkaroon ng pag-abuso o paglabag.